Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haka arpo arterik mentau benai naitung, laple paj ba saya kawai ke Jaka, Pule bat ke Jaka Jinghikai, ke bat Thymmai hakani ke Nongbah Shillong, ke belatip kum ke Kezi Academy of Professional Studies. Ke ba onbo ya ke Jaka Pule hak ke GP Assembly Center, ke baran hapo GP Shillong, hajan ke Barik Point. Hakani jelang Pule ya ke Jaka Pule ke bat Thymmai, lai don rengkat ru Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Castles District, ubak Peter as Dakar, beralong kongsan hak ke jelang. Bat kiwai pat kiri pokmat ke jela ki balai dan lang ki kentop yo vice chancellor jong ka skol ba Martin Luther Christian University uba RG Lingdo ka editor jong ka kot khobor the Shillong Times ikong Patricia Mukhem bat kiwai de haswa ban sedang yakini ke jelang layo jing duai kerpangru na senior administrative secretary jong ka Khasi Jantia Presbyterian Assembly na pastor NS Power kat bana kaliang ba Dani Kharani bat Eugene Kurung kila ke jing batai lingkon alor kani ke Jaka Pule komjo no director jong ka Snat Employment and Craftsman Training jong kani ke Jaka Pule ubi hajang ka office trikam hi jong ka Kezi Academy of Professional Studies kadai ha mau smai mau ngam handai ke Jaka Pule bat Jinghikai hakilan beper onbo hakani ke Jaka jong ka KGP Assembly kabaran hajan Barik Point.
I find that Kezi Academy is perhaps the bridge that connects Kezi society, which was working with rural people, and Delta, which is providing skills and employment for people, urban thinking people who are willing to go outside the state. And I think it's important. It's very important that we should not forget the work that Kezi society has been doing. I don't think Kezi Academy should be only concentrating on kids who are wanting to go and work outside. I think we really need to be able to build up a knowledge, especially in the rural sectors.